front of me is OPPO A57s, and today I would like to show you how you can manage location of this OPPO. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for location shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now white. That means that location is disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same shortcut again. If you wish to, you can always go into settings instead, scroll down and click on location section. Then manage it by clicking on this switcher next to location feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!